BA Pass is basically also the course which Mukesh is pursuing in the city of Delhi. यार मेरे को तो ना कोई कुछ भी बोलता है ना best ही लगता है. And most recent has been Vishal Bharadwaj, because I know that he appreciates my work and he's always been in touch with me, has guided me so many times. I think what makes us unhappy is the thought of competition, and that is why probably I was unhappy, if at all I was, like post Chak De. I am dying to do action. Because I've done mixed martial arts with Cheetah Yagnesh. I was watching my video like some 2 weeks back and I'm good. Hi, my name is Shilpa Shukla and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama. I would say definitely, there was this one time when I said, ho gaya bas na. I was repulsed of acting and the kind of work that was offered. At the same time, I think I was also questioning my calling. I was very confident that the day I know what my true calling is now, and the day I know that this is it, then I'll be a winner, And I'm stupid because I should have, read through my past that this is what my calling is, because nobody gets lucky to, get a film like Khamosh Pani when one is sleeping in the house, has no idea what films are. Is just called as sleeping, goes for the audition, gets it. Oh, Hazaro Khwaishe Aisi. They just kept coming my way, or Chak De India. So something tells me that I am here for a reason, and I am very lucky to be here. And then again, getting a film like BA Pass, I know that I am going to be remembered. And now that I'm back with BA Pass and I hear Mahesh Bhatt, the screening with him, the kind of hug that I get from him, or Pooja Bhatt, or Vishal Bharadwaj, or anyone who's seen the film, be it Ocean, where 1800 people saw the film, I cannot tell you that magic, and that tells me that I am here for a reason and stay at it, because I think I've got the sutra now, and the reason why I was not getting it before was also for a right reason. I had to go through all this to value it more, probably. BA Pass is basically also the course which Mukesh is pursuing in the city of Delhi, and also it is kind of metaphorical to his life. Completely different from me. Like, she is just not me. Abhi, you can figure it out. But I love the mental challenge of it, जब रस आपको मालूम है ना मिलने वाला है, and when you also don't know how you're going to do it, but you know that there is somebody here, which is of course the director, and luckily, Ajay was also the cinematographer, who is going to push you to what extent and get what out of you don't know. And that is what the joy is about, because if you know what you are going to do anyway, what's the fun? So I didn't know Sarika. I was never cross any auntie or anyone like that. But yes, in Delhi, we always, observation is, always running high. In Mandi House, I used to see these young boys all always dressed up, and it was supposed to be a pickup joint and all that. And, the thing for quick money, and there would be these ladies in big cars, and तो सुना तो हम सभी ने है कि ये होता है. So then I was like, okay, let's see. And to be honest, the first look test that we did was quite a disaster. I was more like a butterfly than Sarika, And so it took me time. And to be honest, it was only on the day of the first shooting day, where, there's this long seduction scene we were shooting. And long scene, and I hear cut and Ajay says that Shilpa, tu pass ho gayi. That is the day I got the role. And today I can say that Sarika was an out-of-body experience for me, because she just took me on that ride, mentally, physically, spiritually. I think my spirituality also helped me conceive Sarika a lot. People like to call husband and wife and all that, so theek hai. I do not believe in any of this. Mohit has been the associate director on another film which I did, and both of us are childhood friends, and both of us are artists first, and to prove our individuality first. So, stuff like this never comes in our way, we are freed of all that, and thank God for it. Yeah, मेरे को तो ना कोई कुछ भी बोलता है ना best ही लगता है, to be honest. Even a single message on my Facebook that I get now counts, it makes my day. And so of course a lot of appreciation every day, and most recent has been Vishal Bharadwaj, because I know that he appreciates my work and he's always been in touch with me, has guided me so many times, and he finally saw the film and he said that, he said, oh, it doesn't say here, he said genuine and brave performance. And then that was the best that I've gotten so far. And then Mahesh Bhatt just hugged me. He hugged me thrice, and each hug told me he understands the journey that I've been through to, play Sarika. I think what makes us unhappy is the thought of competition, and that is why probably I was unhappy, if at all I was, like post Chak De. Today I can easily say that competition is something that it totally depends on how you perceive it. For me, I honestly believe in abundance, whether you believe it or not. And I'm not saying that we've all read books like Secret. No, I'm saying when it genuinely comes from within, when you genuinely feel good for an actor, who's your colleague. And I do, and I know it for a fact that I've gone out and done it. Why? Because me as a person was always fighting it. I never wanted to be jealous. Jealousy was one thing I never wanted, and that leads to competition. And I always made sure that the minute I have a feeling like that, I question it and I fight it out. And I have like really gone ahead and done it in my own way. Yeah, there are many calls. I am dying to do action. Dying to do action because I've done mixed martial arts with Cheetah Yagnesh. I was watching my video like some 2 weeks back and I'm good. I was doing fencing. Musical is again something I want to really do, like an out and out musical. Many things to be done. Yes, I've written like for 8 hours for 8 months. I have done all of that. And I think those scripts will take time, and but I write. I definitely write. I also am looking at direction because I have made a documentary film on my school. I definitely have the eye for it, I feel, but I think I'll take a couple of years to make sure that अभी करने का टाइम आ गया. अभी मैं थोड़ा एक्टिंग करके सेटल हो जाती हूँ फिर.